This is digital SAT, practice test number 1, math, module 2 hard. If you get 17 or more correct on module 1, you get module 2, quote unquote, hard, question 19. It's got this table of values. It says this is a linear function f. The table shows the values of x and their corresponding values of f of x, or y in other words. Function f is defined by f of x equals ax plus b, where a and b are constants. What is the value of a minus b? That's what the question is asking, a minus b. So this is where it's very good to know how to do regressions on Desmos. I'm going to add those values in a table. I've already done it, but I'm going to do it again. I put table. As soon as I spell out table, it gives me x and y. So I put 1, negative 64 is f of x or y. I've got 2, 0, and 3, 64. Now notice it says x with a little 1 and y with a little 1. Those are subscripts. So I can type f of x or y, and then I hit shift dash key and then 1. And then instead of equal, I put the tilde, shift, and then it's usually the key all the way to the left of the numbers over the single quote, tilde. And then I put a times x, and then I make that little subscript plus b. And then it gives me, it says r squared equal 1. I want r squared, the big R squared, to equal 1, because that means it's spot on, it's exact. If r squared is something not 1, it's only approximation. But it says a is 64 and b is negative 128. So a, 64, minus negative 128 is 192, which is answer D. Now, if you don't know how to do regressions, I can just plug in 2 of these values. I'll use 2 and 0. When x is 2, y is 0. So I get, or f of x is 0, 0 equals a times 2, or 2a plus b. And then I'll use 64 and 3. F of x is 64 equals a times 3, a times x, or 3a plus b. And I'll subtract the second equation from the first. I'll subtract this one from the top one. 64 minus 0 is 64. 3a minus 2a is a. b minus b is 0. A is 64. And then I can plug back into this equation. 0 equals 2 times 64, which is 128, plus b. I'll subtract 128 from both sides. And then b is negative 128. So a, 64, minus negative 128 equals 64 plus 128 equals 192. You can do that on a calculator. So the answer is D either way. But if you know how to do regressions on Desmos, this one is very fast.